little bones.
The leopard is an incredible creature. They are a symbol of power, grace, and hunting instincts in the wild. Protecting their habitat is the responsibility of each of us, so these wild animals can continue to exist and thrive. Leopards often transport their prey to a safe place to avoid being robbed by other predators. Its strength and agility help it move the prey easily. The leopard is an efficient predator. Its rapid and precise actions allow it to quickly bring down its prey. With its keen hunting instincts, the leopard demonstrates patience and dexterity in seeking prey. It uses its forelegs to dig the earth, and its body's flexibility helps it leverage and search.
The other one's not moving.